Hello and welcome. My name is Ariadna, and today we're going to learn how to play Jingle Bells. With the holidays approaching rapidly, you still have a little bit of time to learn everyone's favorite Christmas tune. Every year, all my students ask for holiday music, and this is an easy peasy one, even for the beginner. We're going to play Jingle Bells on the A and the E string. It's a lot easier to start there. I'll play it first. So you can replace the open E string with the fourth finger E, if you will, and that will look like this. I'm keeping the rhythm simplified as well as the melody. If you feel like you want to alter the rhythm to play it more by ear, the way that you know the song to go, feel free to do that. I like to use roughly half a bow for quarter notes and a full bow for half notes or whole notes. And by the way, if you want to follow along the sheet music that I'm using, you can click the link below to download the PDF for free. So we're going to start on a second finger on the A string in the C sharp placement. To find a C sharp, you're going to play A, first finger B. You can put the C natural right next to it, and then slide it half a step up, roughly a finger width. So that's the distancing. There's your C sharp. D, third finger, will be right next to the C sharp. And if you do end up playing E with the fourth finger, that's roughly a finger width apart. But you can always opt for using the open E string. So we have C quarter note, C quarter note, C. You can start with that. Start at the frog, go to the middle, go back, and then go all the way to the tip. Then repeat, go to the middle, go to the tip, and go all the way to the frog. Now, if you're uncertain about if your C sharp is in tune or not, I recommend downloading a tuner app or using the Google's free tuner. It will tell you if you're sharp or flat. So the first two measures is just all C's. Measure 3 and measure 4 are so measure 3 is C sharp, open E, open A, first finger B, and then a whole note that is a C sharp. So the first line, play it with me. Very well. Line 2, we'll start with a third finger on the A string, that is the D. You can match, whoa. Don't match that. You can match your open D string to tune it, or once again, use the tuner, or if you are confident about finding B and C sharp, the D goes right next to it. The first measure is 4 quarter notes of Ds. And then the second measure is 1 D, 3 C's. Next measure is 1 C, 2 Bs, 1 more C, and then a half note B, and then E. So here we go. Play it with me. The third line is exactly the same as the first. This time I'm going to play it slower in case you want a slower run. And then the last line is very, very similar to line 2. The first 2 measures are the same. Did you catch the difference? So it's the last 2 measures. E, E, G, B, and then A, A. All right, let's try the whole song together. Happy holidays! I've also put together a 15-minute practice session for busy people, addressing a couple of different technical issues to work on, as well as sound production. If that sounds interesting to you, please click the link down below in the description box to get the access to the video. Happy mindful practicing, and I'll see you in the next video.